powerful decree to open paths, in the name of God and of all heavenly authority by birthright. I state your full name. I decree that all my paths are open and clear. Now every opportunity arrives to manifest divine grace on earth. My essence shines with strength now. I am guided by the power of love for the greatest good of all. I have a clear path day by day, feeling my heart. I am free from energy manipulations, since I am an impenetrable pillar of light, and I am guarded by Archangel Michael at all times. I am a magnet for good opportunities. I am prosperity and success incarnate. My path is evolution, and I feel in full bliss in all areas of my life. Everything I need comes to me. I feel happy, grateful, and blessed. My path is guarded by hosts of light advancing in the divine plan. I have my power, and I direct my attention now. Every day I enjoy my life more, and the new consciousness on earth. I am one with the all, and the doors are open to manifest my greatness. In perfect harmony, guarded by divine law. So it is done, it is done, it is done. Amen.